Today, we're making braised eggplant. First, peel the round eggplant. Cut into thick slices, then into thick strips. Finally, cut them into diamond shapes. Garlic is essential for this dish. Smash the garlic and then mince it. Mince the scallions. Heat oil in a pan. When the oil is 7/10 hot, add the eggplant and deep fry it. The oil temperature should be high because household gas stoves have low heat. Keep stirring to ensure the eggplant cooks evenly. If the eggplant is absorbing too much oil, that means the oil temperature is too low. Once the eggplant is fried, remove it and drain the oil. Leave some oil in the pan and add the fermented bean paste. Stir fry it quickly. Cook out the aroma of the bean paste. Add soy sauce and continue stir frying to enhance the flavor. Add 2 tablespoons of water. Add a pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Add a pinch of salt to adjust the saltiness. Add chicken essence to enhance the flavor. Stir everything together to dissolve the seasonings. Add the fried eggplant to the pan. Simmer over low heat for a minute. Allow the eggplant to absorb the flavors. It's almost done. Add the minced garlic. Then, pour in the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Reduce the sauce. This will make the eggplant tender and smooth. The flavor will also be richer. Finally, stir fry for a few seconds and then you can serve it. The tender and flavorful braised eggplant is ready. Subscribe to my channel. There's always a dish that suits your taste.